Yaugo and Diane, and welcome to this vlog. Whoop, whoop. The plan for today was to, just go grocery shopping and unpack our bags because we just returned from Germany, and do some laundry, maybe say hi to the horses and stuff. But obviously the plan has changed because the tractors are not working properly, so we're going out now to help my father-in-law fix it. Also knowing us, it will probably take half the day, so we won't do anything else today. But the farm life has us back. Whoop whoop! Unfortunately, I have no clue how to turn that radio off. But it's so cold that the tractor, which we feed the horses with, is not starting. And now the men are trying to fix it, but unfortunately the forks are stuck in the ground. So, business as usual. I guess it worked. And I also found the radio on the tractor.
Two hours later.
So we wanted to celebrate New Year's Eve at Siggy's aunt's place, but the road conditions are so bad already, and they're, supposed to get worse, so we're kind of stuck here, and we will make the best out of it, and we will, eat some hangekjöt, and we will probably go to the hot tub, drink some champagne. No, not champagne, Prosecco. Let's be realistic here. And yeah, just have a cozy time, which is also perfectly fine. Gleðilegt nýtt ár. Prost. Good morning, everyone. Must be around 11 a.m. so sun's rising. It's looking amazing. We don't have any wind at all, and I am using the time to leash train the puppy a little bit. I mean, she doesn't really need a leash, but I'm German, so puppy needs to be leash trained. Yeah, I bought her a little, not a collar, a harness. Oh dear, it's icy here. Oh shit, that will be interesting. I bought her a little harness, but this puppy is so fucking long that it looks more like a bra than anything. So long and skinny, but oh well. So Loppa's wearing a little bra. And yeah, I'm also using that little walk not only to leash train the puppy. Yeah, she's now running free because we're away from the road, so she can run and have some fun. But also because I bought some new horse equipment, and even though I'm not riding at the moment, I'm like a child. Ooh, deep snow. I'm like a child and I want to play with my Christmas toys. What are these, huh? Loppy. Are they massive doggos? She of course has met the horses already, but she's a little bit of a scaredy pants, to be entirely honest. Not really good if you want to have a sheep dog and a herding dog. But I'm sure she will learn from her mommy and she will get used to the horses. Oh, so pretty. Man, it's icy here. Second winter in Iceland and I still haven't bought any spikes. Scotta! Hi, cuties! Halt die Kjafte! Scotta! See, Loppy? This is a herding dog. Hi, my cuties. Oh, you have ice under your hooves, no? Oh. Hi. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty number 2. And hi, baby, who was so shy in the beginning. So pretty. Yeah, you're looking for treats as usual, I know. I started something. It's an Icelandic Polonaise. I don't know if other countries do it, but in Germany, if you're really drunk, you run in one line and it's called a Polonaise. So, this is the Icelandic version. So I told you we brought 3 mares, 2 stallions, and I want to play a game with you called Fat or Pregnant. No, Baby Bingo, whatever you want to call it. So this is candidate number 1, Alþýða, also known as Pflaume. And I still don't have treats, so please stay where you are. So, tell me in the comments, is Pflaume / Alþýða fat or pregnant? Or nothing at all? She's not too fat. We have some horses that are worse. So that's candidate number 1. Here we have our next candidate for fat or pregnant. This is Saga. Hi, cutie pie. Show us the belly. No, don't eat the camera. Show us the belly. We're playing a game here. Maybe from behind. Excuse me. Not helpful. Baker, not helpful. Now we just see her booty. It's a nice booty. But yeah. Let me know in the comments, fat or pregnant. This is Saga, horse number 2. And candidate number 3 is right here. This is Keðja. She's actually the only horse of the 3 where we know for sure what it is. But tell me, what do you think? Fat or pregnant? Candidate number 3, Keðja. Yes, show us the belly. There she goes. And then we have this horse, and you think, yeah, definitely pregnant. Definitely. Look at that belly. But it's just onky. Did we not exercise enough in the winter? Did you not go to the gym at all? No? No? Are you ashamed of yourself? No, he's not. Now he's just mad at me. I'm sorry, Onky. I love you. This is Elding, and she is the favorite horse of my mum when she came for a visit. She loved riding her. Unfortunately, she's not our horse, otherwise I would have, well, sold her to my mom. But she's just borrowed, but I'm getting a bit concerned now because I don't see her boyfriend, and usually they're always together. So we have to find her boyfriend first, and of course it's a chestnut. Of course it is. Well, we will find Blondingura. Blondingura, where are you? I really don't see him. Just climbed up on that thing to get a better view. And maybe I see him then. You two are pushing me off. I don't know what happens, but I will be angry. Naughty babies. Why do we have so many cheeky babies? Why? Apparently she found a new boyfriend. There she is. There. 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 And she's chilling with Blazy, which I understand. I mean, he's prettier. But still, bitch, your boyfriend is missing and you're cheating. But this is why it's so important to... Oh! Lecker was just chasing the puppy. Excuse me. We're trying to train her. Yeah, exactly. Go give it to him, Panda. We are not chasing dogs. They're chasing you. Just to make that clear. What I wanted to say is... Can you stop? Well, that will be fun in the summer. If you kick my baby dog, I'll kick you. Yeah, but I was going to say, like, this is why it's so important to know all your horses. And oh, baby! Hi, girl. I love you. I just can't finish that sentence. This is why it's so important to know all the horses, and people are always so surprised that we know all our horses, but of course we do. And we also know like who's friends with whom, and it's really important just to have an overview. Hey! So yeah, if I don't find him now on the way back home, I'll just get Siggy to drive the tractor and feed them, because then they're definitely all coming, and I will grab some binoculars and keep looking for him. Ooh. I think the little red dot at the very end, that looks a lot like him. So maybe they were just in a fight because his girlfriend is cheating on him. Well, let's see if it's really him. It's so him. Like the way he walks and just the way he looks. Like a halflinger. What are you doing? All the way at the other end of the field. You have to fight for your girlfriend. Or maybe, if necessary, kick her butt a little bit. Are you not in love anymore? Hi, cutie. Hi. Oh, not interested? No. Are you going to your girlfriend? Go get her. So today will be the first day where I have to feed the horses by myself again. and drive a tractor that I haven't been using in, I don't know, at least half a year. I guess actually more than that. And Siggy isn't even here in case something's happening. So the goal is not to kill any horses, not to destroy the tractor, and not to call for help. So task number 1 is getting hay rolls. Whoop, whoop, whoop. The horses are already moving towards the feeding place. Little do they know that I'm driving in turtle mode. It will take me like half an hour until I'm there. So ta-ta, ta-ta, that worked. Now I'm just cutting off the plastic a little bit and then we're on the way to the horses. Oh no. They look hungry. I don't like when they're hungry because then they really don't understand that this is a beginner tractor driver here. Well, not really so much a beginner. It worked out great until now. So Siggy was right. You don't forget. So let's cross our fingers that the rest goes well as well. Look what I spotted from the tractor. It's Elding and Blöndingur back together. So they made up. So, I survived, the tractor survived, and the horses survived. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I am enjoying the sunset now when I'm driving home. And yeah, seems like Siggy is right. When you learn it once, then you will never forget it again. And yeah, coolio, that worked. So I do hope you liked this vlog, even though nothing super exciting happened, but well, this is our life at the moment. We have of course some stuff going on in the background, but I will tell you more about that later. So mysterious. But yeah, it is mainly taking care of the horses at the moment and doing stuff around the farm if the weather is nice enough, and train our puppy. That's what we do at the moment. Hey, Doggos! Lappa, say thanks for watching. Ugh. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.